Hey, Thomas Bart here. So this is going to be the quick 3-minute version of showing the new feature of taking over a catalog into TrackifyX that you maybe have created directly in Facebook in your business manager. Maybe you're using a feed from the old version of Trackify, or maybe it's using a feed from another catalog feed app like Flexify or whatever you may have running on this. I'm actually just trying to set this catalog up manually with the Flexify feed, and for some reason it seems like always the first try it doesn't work, and then I have to retry again, and now it's uploading and updating this here properly. So let's fetch and refresh this list one more time. You can see all of your catalogs that are in the selected business manager in here. So if you have multiple shops, or maybe you're an agency, you're running an agency, or running dynamic product ads for multiple client shops, you have many catalogs in here. I always try to filter this down to what matches this shop, and hopefully you've named your catalogs something that is significant and at least tells you the shop name, or whatever you need to put in here to filter it. Anyway, so you can see here now the status is updating slowly but surely. This catalog feed here from Flexify is getting dialed in and is updating in the products in Facebook. I want to show you one quick thing here that has problems, where Flexify has problems. Like this here is a typical warning in Facebook. A product is missing the Google product category field. So if that field isn't manually set in Shopify, Flexify will not be able to put this correct here. So this is quite a bit of work. If you want to do this manually, Trackify fixes that error. And then also this here, this warning, field contains all uppercase letters in the title. This is a problem as well that leads to a warning, and Trackify fixes that as well. So this is just two small advantages here that I just want to mention in using the Trackify feed. So now let's go quick so that it actually stays under 3 minutes here in this video. We have this new feature where you can now take over any catalog that you have access to with this profile, and you can take it over and have it completely managed by Trackify. Use the Trackify feed and have Trackify take care of the dynamic updates as needed, right? So it's unnecessary to upload the feed every hour. It's good enough if Trackify does it anytime you're making any changes in any products, and everything stays up to date that way. So here are the 2 steps that are needed. Step number 1, click this capture catalog icon and name this feed something. I'm going to name it Theme Tester Takeover, and I'm going to select just the standard variant image version of the feed. You can get the details on these settings out of the video that is placed in the Add Catalog page over here by the to-the-head icon. If you're on the Add Catalog page, you'll see it exactly spelled out what these options are and how to select them. Okay, so I'm going to stick with the standard, which is 1 variant per product, and it's using the variant image of the front-facing variant for the add image. I'm going to hit capture. I'm going to get this message here, successfully queued. And now I'm going to go to the second step, and that's this. I have to click into the catalog name. So I go into the catalog in Facebook. Then here you need to click into product data sources. You'll see here that it's importing products. That means it's now uploading the new TrackifyX feed, and it has been taken over. You can see here also the TrackifyX feed name is in here. And now the second thing you need to do this manually, because unfortunately there's no way to do this automatically through the API. You click on the feed and you click on settings, and you scroll down here where you see this schedule, this upload schedule, and you see here this is the old catalog feed URL that you had put in there before, and you need to just hit the trash icon here, the trash can icon, and that removes the old feed completely from this catalog, and now only the latest upload here with the TrackifyX feed is left over, and this will now update, and Trackify will dynamically update that anytime an update is needed in the products, because you made a change to the products, or something got sold and it's no longer in stock and needs to be removed from the dynamic product ads. All these types of updates, Trackify will recognize them and take care of them automatically and update the catalog on Facebook automatically from time to time as needed. All right, so that's the way to take over the catalog. Now, after you've done this, you refresh this catalog list here one more time in Trackify, you will see that this icon, color icon here, has now turned green. The status update sometimes shows some number in between. That just means that Facebook is still updating the products in the product ranges, and over time this will come down to the right number, which is the number that is here visible in the feed in this upload. So it's going to go to 212, just like this catalog that was originally created in TrackifyX for the shop. All right, so there you go. That's the quick explanation of how to take over a feed that is currently not managed by Trackify. Be careful with that to make sure that A, it's a catalog that pertains to this shop, and B, your profile has actually access to this catalog, not only to see it here, but actually to manage this catalog in Facebook. All right, thanks a lot for watching. This is the quick explanation. It's going to go into a help article. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions, and go into the app itself and send us a message here in the in-app chat, and we'll help you out.